Hello everyone, welcome back to EngVlog, and today we're going to learn 10 phrases for cheering someone up. So sometimes, we feel very sad. Sometimes people around us may feel sad, they feel sad. So it is our responsibility. We should come forward and do something and say something to cheer them up. First, you could say, "What's the matter? What's the matter?" Maybe your brother isn't reading, okay, he is just sleeping and sleeping, and you were thinking that maybe he's feeling sick. So you could say, "Hey bro, what's the matter? What's the matter? Why are you sleeping all the day, all day? What's the matter? Are you feeling sick?" Or you could say, "What's wrong?" So what's the matter, what's wrong can be applied in same situation. So you could say, "What's wrong?" or "What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?" Or you could say, it's a pretty common phrase, that is a sentence, that is, "Are you all right? Are you all right? Are you all right, dear?" So what happened? Are you all right, dear? What happened? What happened to you? What made you so sad? What made you so sad? Are you all right? Are you all right, dear? Or you could say, "You look a bit down." That means a little sad. So you look a bit down means you look a little sad. You don't look happy. Something bothered you and you are feeling sad. Okay, maybe more or less. So you could say, "You look a bit down." Next comes a nice one. "Is there anything I could do to help?" Is there anything? So the reason it is nice is it has two parts, right? So you are asking someone, that is, what is the problem, or what the problem is, what made you upset, and at the same time you are offering your help, your willingness. You're showing your willingness, that is, you'd be very much pleased or happy or delighted to help someone out. Okay, so you could say, "Is there anything I could do to help?" It's a really nice one. Or you could say, "Cheer up," or "Chin up." So keep your chin up, it's another phrase. You could say, "Keep your chin up." Keep your chin up. That means whatever happened, who cares? Doesn't matter. Okay, look forward, go ahead. Okay, you will succeed. Okay, so cheer up or chin up. Next comes, "It's not so bad." So it's also a nice one, because if you say it's not so bad, it means that is you can still do better in future. So don't lose your hope. So it's not so bad. Maybe you are talking about someone's poor result or CGPA. You could say, "It's not so bad. It's not so bad." That means you can still go with that result. You can do better in future. Okay, just keep trying. Or you could say, "Everything will be okay." Everything will be okay. So maybe someone is not feeling very well for some reason. Maybe I made a terrible mistake. So I could say, "Everything will be okay. No problem. Everything will be okay." That means you should try to learn from your mistake. Okay, so sometimes it happens. So no problem, man. Everything will be okay. Everything will be on the right track. Or you could say, it's a nice one, "Look on the bright side." So sometimes something happens in our life. Okay, we judge it, okay, evaluate it, okay, from our negative thinking, okay, that we lost something that we couldn't achieve, but all those things sometimes may bring some positive things, positive aspects. So we could say, "Look on the bright side." Okay, so you failed your exam, it's true, it's very sad news, but at the same time you will be given another opportunity. Okay, you'll be given another chance to pass with flying colors. That means to pass or to achieve a great score. So look on the bright side, man. Look on the bright side. And the last one is, "It's not the end of the world." So when someone made a mistake, someone failed someone, okay, or something, you could say, "It's not the end of the world." If you still believe in the person, that this person, that specific person, a particular person, can go a long way, can do something great in future. So you could encourage the person saying, it's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. You have a full life ahead of you, right? You can do a lot of things in your life. So give your best, keep trying, and you will succeed. It's not the end of the world. Well, that's all for the time being. Okay, I hope you understood the lesson and enjoyed the lesson. And if you did, just hit the thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, to your YouTube channel, EngVlog. There are so many lessons on the way only for you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.